Justice Nwosu Ihimi of the FCT High Court, Wusa Zone 2, Abuja, on April 28th, sentenced Peter Nwachukwu, husband of late gospel singer Osinachi, to death by hanging. This followed the court's finding that Nwachukwu was guilty of culpable homicide, resulting in Osinachi's death on April 8, 2022. While delivering the judgment, Justice Nwosu Ihimi stated that the prosecution had successfully discharged the burden of proof placed upon it by law. Nwachukwu was first arraigned on June 3, 2022, by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, OAGF, on behalf of the federal government on a 23-count charge. The charges included culpable homicide punishable by death, criminal intimidation, cruelty to children, spousal battery, and others. The prosecution presented 17 witnesses, including 2 of Osinachi's children, PW4 and PW5, and tendered 25 documentary exhibits before the court. The defendant also testified in his defense, called 4 witnesses, and tendered 4 exhibits. Before sentencing, the defense counsel, Reginald Nwali, pleaded for leniency, while the prosecution counsel, Mrs. Aderonke Imola, urged the court to apply the full force of the law, delivering the final judgment. Peter Nwachukwu was sentenced to death by hanging on count 1. He also received 2 years imprisonment each on counts 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 18. He was sentenced to 6 months imprisonment on count 10 and 3 years imprisonment on count 11. Additionally, he was fined in $500,000 and $200,000 on count.
Husband of the late renowned gospel singer Osinachi Nwachukwu, has been sentenced to death by hanging. Justice Nwosu Ihimi of the Federal Capital Territory High Court, sitting in Wus Zone 2, Abuja, delivered the verdict on Monday. Osinachi, a lead singer at the Dunamis International Gospel Center in Abuja, captured hearts across Nigeria and beyond with her powerful voice. She was best known for hit songs like Ekweme, a collaboration with Prosper Ochimana and God of Power, among others. In April 2022, she tragically passed away under suspicious circumstances. While initial reports suggested she died of throat cancer, further investigations revealed a troubling history of alleged domestic abuse. The revelation sparked widespread outrage and led to the immediate arrest of her husband, Peter Nwachukwu, who was later charged with culpable homicide. Today's judgment marks a major chapter in a case that brought national attention to the silent struggles faced by many victims of domestic violence.